This type of video content known as bike assembly video. Such videos are currently going viral on Instagram and YouTube. Look at this Instagram Reels. Some of that Reels have millions of views. Without wasting any time, let's see how to create one. First, open ChatGPT and write this sentence. It will provide a list of 10 bike names. Choose one bike name. First, copy the prompt, then go to Google Flow and proceed to the next project step. Paste the prompt. Add the vehicle names and name of brand and configured video setting, then click Generate button. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos. And your video are ready.